Hello guys, good morning. Okay, re-upload lang tayo guys kasi may problema sa video. Anyway, kung napanood nyo na ito, thank you so much for watching it again. So we are leaving the park now. At least you had fun, right? It's already almost 7 o'clock. Pero look,
I want to take it to the ground.
tomorrow. Kadarating lang namin, ayan, nag-order na lang kami ng pizza for our dinner, guys. My husband decided to grab something from Pizza Hut so we can have for dinner. Anyway, I just want to show you what we got at Target, and then dumaan din kami ng Aldi, and then dumaan din ang asawa ko sa Walmart, guys. Namili ng konti. Alright, so ito yung napamili namin kanina, guys. Ayan, naka-sale ito siya, and it's good kasi 3 value pack. We got this at Target. Ilalagay natin ito sa ating bagahe. Ayan. And then, bumili ako ng Cetaphil. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko para sa aking panghugas ng mukha. So, Gentle Skin, Dry to Normal Sensitive Skin. Bumili tayo ng hamburger or bun. Yan. Tapos, ito naman siya, ang sa Walmart. Yan. And then, nag-ano-ano na din. Alright, and then ito, binili natin ito sa Target also. Binili tayo ng kamatis at saka saging sa Target. And then, meron din tayong ito, yan. Napkin. And then, we got 2 of these paper towels at Target. Kasi nagtitipid kami, guys. Ayan. So, bumili na rin kami ng vitamins. And this, mura lang ito, guys. This is like $9.99. So, like 500 pesos. Ayan. Mabango naman siya. Okay naman yung amoy niya. Ayan. Although it's not the greatest. And then ito, guys, binili natin ito sa Walmart. What did we get from Walmart? Okay, we got 2 plantains. Yan. And then, nagdagdag ang asawa ko ng bananas. Oh. Yeah, we got some bananas at Target. Okay. Yeah. Yes, and they're good. Tapos ito, sa Aldi natin ito binili, guys. Before we eat. Okay. The plantain. Wait, it should be from Walmart, right? Okay, here. Yeah, tapos ito, guys. So ito, bumili kami ng juice and 2 coconut water and then 4 na yogurt. Ito siya. At saka eto, paborito ito ng anak ko. Raspberries. And then, we also grabbed this, guys, noodles. Ayan. At saka ating sponge. And then, meron tayong dishwashing liquid doon. At ang ating wipes. First time rin namin na makagamit ng ganit. I think this is their product. I guess this is their brand name, no? Yeah, Radiance.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yan lang, guys. Nandito kami sa park ngayon. Recess time ng mga bata. Uh-oh! Can you go with your friend? He needs to go to the bathroom. Yeah.
To the bathroom.
Why you didn't use the bathroom? You was already there.
I didn't need to go when I was there. Now I do.
Aw. Sometimes even if you don't feel like you need to use it, you just have to try. So you don't have to keep going back and forth. Ask your friend. Okay, you need one more friend. It has to be 3 of you, okay? Mommy just got off from work.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you.
Balik na kami sa bahay, guys. So, I'm preparing chicken. So, gagawa ako ng buttered chicken for tonight. Ayan. So, nilagay ko muna siya sa itlog and then I dip it in the flour. Flour lang yung ginamit ko, guys. So, by the way, for tonight, we are having buttered chicken, white rice for my daughter, and fried rice for me and my husband. And gumawa din ako ng konting noodles, guys, with egg. So, ayan lang yung dinner natin. Alright, so we are back to our tennis court. Ayan, hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina, guys, kasi na-busy ang beauty ni Lola ninyo. Ayan, kasi there are days that kids are nicer, but sometimes they can be a little bit too much also. So this is one of those days na medyo makulit sila, but it's okay. I'm loving my job. So anyway, habang nag-exercise ako, guys, if you notice, my daughter will gonna be joining with me. Ayan. So, I like it, guys, kasi parang I feel like nagiging good influence ako sa kanya in that sense. Ayan. This reminds me of the saying na parents are good examples to their kids. So, we as parents must set a good example to them kasi tayo yung una nilang nakikita, and kung ano yung nakikita nila sa atin and naririnig nila sa atin, yun ang namimimik nila, di ba? So, ayan, she's doing her breathing exercise also. Ayan, and while mommy is stretching, it feels so good, guys, na parang nasa-stretch ko yung katawan ko kasi nakakatulong talaga from swelling. Lang. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. It's almost 8 o'clock na, guys. Pero maaga pa naman sa labas, maliwanag pa siya. But anyway, I'm preparing our dinner. There's not that much preparation kasi yung lumpia na ginawa namin ng friend ko, yun na lang ang nilutuin ko for our dinner. And nakapagluto na ako ng rice. Charan! Ayan, so yan lang yung dinner natin ngayon, guys. And I'm gonna make some juice. That's it. Yan. Parang hindi pa masyado. Dinner time na. Ayan, ito yung dinner namin guys. So, fried rice. Ang kay Rachel, white rice lang yung sa kanya. And then, yan yung lumpia natin. Gumawa ako ng egg drop. Hindi ko masyadong nilagyan ng enough na starch. And then, this beans.
Egg drop?
Tapos, meron tayong konting plantain. Yan na yung dinner natin. This one is covering the camera. Can't see my food. Hello! Say hello na.
Hello!
Happy Friday! Ayan. And of course, mag-intermission muna ang aking anak. She's doing her breathing exercise. Charot! Anyway, yes, by the way, we were at the park yesterday. I took a little clip. Yeah, it was really fun doing some exercise at the park, guys. I was able to do my walking and then stretching, and I ended up jogging. So I feel happy. Ayan na naman. So Rachel is starting her lifting. Ayan. So by the way, under supervision po yan guys ha. So we kept reminding her on what to watch for, baka maano sa paa niya, and yeah, kaya niya lang naman yan guys. Hindi naman siya yung super heavy na anong tawag doon, weight or dumbbell. So anyway, yeah, after so many years nga pala guys, I was able to go back to jogging. I think the last time na nakapag-jog ako was when I was in college. I was jogging with my friends. Yeah, shout out kay Malu, kay Michelle, and kay Rose. Yeah, sila tong ako ang mga katandem kapag nagjo-jogging kami. So, yeah. Anyway, I said to myself, I will try to religiously do some jogging at least every other day, and hopefully I can do some exercising or, you know, a little bit of walking every day kasi it really feels good na makapag-exercise. It's really beneficial, especially sa ato nga age, sa ako nga age karon na I'm no longer young, you know. By the way guys, I know that you all noticed na naka-dress si lola ninyo. Sana naman hindi tayo maka-receive dito ng mga mean comments. Try to understand kasi bawal po sa amin magsuot ng shorts or pants. So, kaya dress talaga, and pasensya na kung naka-work dress pa rin ako kasi straight from work, dumiretso kami sa gym. Kasi nga medyo maulan, so ayaw na namin na dumiretso ng bahay, and you know, ganun pa rin naman, magdi-dress pa rin naman ako, walang pinagkaiba. Nandito kami sa community gym namin. I'm with my husband, which is over there. Yeah, he's doing his biking. And did I say she? Wait lang. Good job, Rachel. Okay.
Not afraid, so I would fail. But I'm not giving up, not gonna give up right now. Well, I led through the storm, and I leave no regret. I do what I can do, not what I can't do.